Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to use Zoom app. So if you also want to use Zoom app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is install this application. You can install this application from Play Store and App Store. Once you install this application, all you have to do is open it. Once you open the application, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can directly join a meeting if you want. If you want to join the meeting, simply tap on the option join a meeting that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be led to the join interface. You can enter the meeting ID and join the meeting. You can also join with a personal link name. Also, you'll be able to join the event. All you have to do is enter the email. After that, you'll be able to join the event. You can also create an account for yourself. If you already have an account, simply tap on the option sign in. After that, you'll be able to sign into your account. But if you want to create your account, simply tap on the option sign up that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. First of all, you'll have to verify your age. For that, what you have to do is confirm your birth year. Simply enter your birth year. After you do that, simply tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now, due to privacy reason, this interface will not be recorded. But basically, all you have to do is select the sign-in method. After that, follow the prompts on your screen. After that, you'll be able to create an account for yourself. Once you create an account, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to create a new meeting if you want. If you want to create a new meeting, simply tap on the option new meeting. After that, you'll be able to create a new meeting. All you have to do is tap on the option start a meeting. After that, you'll be able to start the meeting for yourself. Or you can also join the meeting if you want. Simply tap on the option join. After that, you'll be able to join a meeting. All you have to do is enter the meeting ID. After that, you'll be able to join. Also, you'll be able to schedule the meeting. Simply tap on the option schedule. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Fill in all of these details. After that, tap on the done option. After that, your meeting will be scheduled. Likewise, you can also share screen if you want. Simply tap on the option share screen. Now all you have to do is enter the sharing key or meeting ID. After that, you'll be able to share the screen. You can also add a calendar if you want. Simply tap on the option add a calendar. After that, you'll be able to add a calendar. Now look at bottom. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. Right now, you're in the meetings interface. If you tap on the option team chat, you'll be able to access the team chat over here. All of your contacts will be displayed over here. All of your chats will be displayed over here. Now tap on the option mail. Now you'll be led to the mail interface. You can get started with the Zoom mail. All you have to do is tap on the option get started. After that, you'll be able to get started with Zoom mail. Now if you tap on the option calendar, you'll be able to see the calendar over here. Likewise, if you tap on the more option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you'll be able to see your profile over here. You'll also be able to see the added features over here. You'll be able to see the options like whiteboards, events, apps, contacts, clips, notes, docs, etc. From here, you'll also be able to access the settings options. You'll be able to find the settings options for meetings, team chat, audio, general, notifications, and accessibility. Also, you'll be able to find other options over here. You can explore all of these features on your own. Using all of these features is very simple. Like this, you'll be able to use the Zoom app. So that is how to use Zoom app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.